Put wheel spacers on it so your wheels stick out farther with some aggressive tires like Super Swamper Boggers. Different kinds of mud produce different results on how muddy it gets. Really wet mud or mud bog mud tend to be runnier, cause all the water, and will leave nice thin coat mud on truck. Thicker, more sticky mud with right tires will throw thick clumps all over truck, which is what I prefer. Just have more fun in this kind of mud. Tires are going to be probably the biggest factor. Then you got how you run the gas pedal. If you just put through it, not spinning tires, you won't have mud except on tires. If you hammering the gas, you will throw more mud. The one thing most people who mud their trucks complain about is having to wash truck afterwards. If you have a rust bucket, it's no big deal. But if a nicer truck you have, get it all off in the wheel wells and behind wheels, brakes and everything under truck, cause mud holds moisture and will rust faster. Easiest way to get under truck is put a sprinkler under it for couple HRS. I've spent 2 days of spraying truck just to get it all off. When in doubt, gas it.